Okay, so the gearbox, clutch and flywheel are all in. I've got the exhaust from the headers down to the cats on at the moment, still on stand. Just going to give it a start up and see what the car sounds like with no mufflers on it, and see if the light and flywheel has made any difference to the speed of the revving. Sounds alright. I'll have to get an exhaust that gives me something like that, that's not so illegal. The flywheel definitely makes a huge difference over the speed of the revs. Hope you guys enjoyed it.